Hi everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to make your Google Cloud make more effort and give you better responses. So the trick here is not just use different LLMs or models. You need to also edit the LLM or the effort for each LLM. For example, let's go with Fab for example, just for Sonnet 5. But I know this model is a little bit lazy doing going in depth. So here I will adjust its effort from low to medium to high to extra or even max. So this is how to make Claude do more effort to give you better effort. And if you want the maximum, go with Fable 5 and also the effort max. As you see, personally, I use Fable 5 Max only for deep researches. When I want some deep researches, for example, when I do, for example, niche, for example, website or project niche research, I ask it, I want to go into this field. I want you to do a deep research into the if this niche worth investing my time and effort in it. So I go Fable 5 Max only for deep research. Why? Because it's simple, it consumes a lot of my cloud resources and I hit limitations easily, super easily. And this is how to make Claude Code or Claude app give you better answers and better results. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next one.